Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and you all, it is an amazing weekend that's happening. Two big things are happening right now. First off, Juneteenth is happening. Yay, happy Juneteenth. First time it's officially like really celebrated everywhere. It's a federal holiday now. Yay, we love that. Research it if you don't know. And then second, of course, Father's Day is also happening on Sunday. That is coming up very, very soon. I hope y'all have taken care of dad and gotten him something or booked something, made some reservations, what have you. But alas, anywho, you all, but in celebration of Juneteenth, we are super excited about this. But most importantly, you all, I'm excited to highlight a small candle brand. Yes, we love small business here on the channel. I speak about that all the time. And it's actually a brand that isn't a stranger to my channel. So I'm very excited to talk about Aroma de Lure. Very excited about this, US based, and super excited. The owner and founder definitely reached out to me again, and super excited to collab again with him. So we're gonna rock it out, and we have a whole box of goodies because you all, they have relaunched the site for a whole lot of newness in celebration of Juneteenth. So super excited about that. But last, before we get into the candles, because yes, it's candles, you all, first things first, lipstick of the day, everyone. We went with a MAC Powder Kiss formula lipstick, and this is the shade Sexy But Sweet. Sexy But Sweet. Nice yellow based mid-tone pink color. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll have it in the description box as always. Next up, we have fragrance of the day. You all, you're gonna get used to seeing this fragrance because I am so obsessed with it right now. It's just an entire mood. And today's fragrance of the day is Bond No. 9's Greenwich Village. Check it out. I'm really convinced part of it is the bottle. I mean, I'm obsessed with the scent, but the bottle is just giving me everything I need because it's my favorite color, and the gold accent is giving. But again, Bond No. 9's Greenwich Village is the fragrance of the day. So now let's get into the candles for Aroma de Lure. So else, I was really excited to get notified. I had this big old box right here waiting on me, and yeah, let's get all the way into it, because I have some candles as well as some wax melts, which again, thank you Donovan for sending it over. Yes, Donovan is amazing. Again, he's the founder and creator of the brand. We love him. And one thing I must note about the brand is that they have upgraded their packaging from when the first time they sent me some candles. So very excited to receive the new upgrade. And we love when our small businesses, you know, continuously improve. They take their feedback, and he clearly listened. Look at the new container for the candles, and the first one I'm talking about is called Birthday Cake, which is so cute to me. He sent it over to me in celebration, belated celebration of my birthday, and I appreciate him for paying attention. So it opens up like this. Your candle is on the inside. And he actually put my name on it. Yes, super excited. And more importantly, you all, is a single wick candle. And it smells like birthday cake. This one is just way too cute. I have to save it for my next birthday now. I do. I can't burn that one right now, but I'm gonna be tempted. Possibly I might burn it for a celebration of some sort. But yes, the first candle he did send me was the birthday cake one, and I'm obsessed with it. So cute. The second candle he sent me was from their Zodiac and Astrology line. Okay, this is very, very nice. So check it out. I'm really digging these new cylinder containers. These are just way too cool to me. And it's a lot more secure as well with shipping versus just sending, you know, glass somewhere. And all of the candles as well have information about how to take care of the candle and how to care for it. And of course, he sent me the Aries candle, because yes, I am an Aries, by the way, for all my fellow Zodiac sign people. Yes, Aries has here, Santa, you are bold, ambitious, and ready to take on challenges of life. Yeah, I dig with that. I'm digging this. And its scent is Unicorn Lily, because that's what's on the back here. This one's more of a freshie. This is more of like a freshie floral, because again, that lily is in here. I get like a little hint of lemon in here. Interesting. So this would be a nice candle to burn when I'm trying to like clean up my house. And again, there is information on the bottom. Oh wait, y'all, there's the notes on the bottom. Wait a minute, let me read the notes. Unicorn Lily, top notes of fruity dewy greens, middle notes of white lily, jasmine and gardenia, bottom notes of cherry and sandalwood. Okay. See, okay, I see you. Okay, we love an upgrade with the notes. Yes. Okay, I like it. We'll be burning And now that I've realized where the notes are, let me go back and read the official notes on the birthday cake candle. As you can tell, this is a true unboxing because you all, we are discovering these together. So for the birthday cake candle, again, we're taking a step back. Top notes are buttercream cake, middle notes of maple, sugar, bakery, and bottom notes of creamy vanilla. 100% this is true. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I love that. Let's keep this party going. So the next candle we have is Mazestycal Getaway is our next candle. Mazestycal Getaway. That is a mouthful, you all. I had to sit here and practice. Let's open this one. Yes, Mazestycal Getaway label. Check it out again, single wick. And another thing to note is that these candles are single wicks. Let's see here. We have any notes on this one? No, we do not have notes. Okay. Interesting. Okay, this must be from the old line. Yeah, because this matches the old label. So yeah, this is the old line. Let me see what this is talking about. Oh, this is fruity. I get grape in here. Okay. Okay, Mazestycal Getaway. Interesting. We'll see. Ooh, this next one. I like the name already. The next candle we have is Coffee Essence. So let's see what this one is talking about. Alrighty. Coffee. Oh, whoa, you're strong. Whoa. Okay, this is already a powerhouse candle. Wow. Okay. He put a whole cup of coffee in this one. Okay. The notes in Coffee Essence are coffee, middle notes of cream liqueur, and bakery notes of vanilla. Y'all. Oh, wow. I actually did go to Starbucks this morning before filming this video, and this is rivaling my cup of caramel macchiato right now. Wow. Wow. You all, Coffee Essence is my favorite one already. Hands down, this is my favorite. I don't dislike any of them, but oh, Coffee Essence, Donovan honey. Oh, you did something with this one. Oh, yes. Okay, the next candle we have is Cashmere Gardens. Take a look at that one there. I'm just really, again, living for these cylinders. So let's see here. Cashmere Gardens. Oh, that's aquatic floral. I like that. Cashmere Gardens, everyone. We have notes of bergamot, cherry blossom, middle notes of magnolia, peony, freesia, bottom notes of saffron, amber, and dark musk. I love this one. Now this one is my favorite of the floral situations. I'm digging this one. Okay, I like this. If it rains today, I'm burning this candle. It's supposed to rain. It needs to rain. You all, it's been a heat wave of 100 degrees for 3 days straight, and I hate it. So I need this mood right here, Cashmere Gardens, because it's giving rain in the garden right now. I need this one to happen. So again, Cashmere Gardens is this next candle. It's entire mood. The last candle he's saying is the one I loved from his original launch, when his brand first launched, you all. This one is called Black Orchid. Yes, Black Orchid. I'm happy to receive another one. See, you all, that's the thing about with your small businesses. Like, the owners listen, and they're very detailed, and they have a tailored approach to you, and I just really appreciate that. So let's see here. For Black Orchid, we got notes of French jasmine, black truffle, ylang ylang, black currant, and citrus. And yeah, as you can see, black glass as well, because this one was a special release one. You all, this smells just like the fragrance by Tom Ford that is Black Orchid, because you all know that's one of my forever fragrances in my collection. Yes, and I love the upgraded packaging. The black glass is a nice touch. You all, this one is sexy. This one is giving date nights, and you want to keep that date night going and going and going. This is that. Love the Black Orchid candle. Very, very nice. I love this one. Yes. So that's all the candles that were sent to me as a thank you, and I do appreciate that, of having access to them. The site for Aroma de Lure is now live for Juneteenth with the new candles. The candles I mentioned today are on the site, and two, I will have them listed, so if it's something you're interested in checking out, you can know which ones I was talking about. I will say too, I'm gonna do a ranking, my top 3 out of the candles I was sent. Hands down, number 1, you all could tell by my reaction, number 1 was the coffee essence candle, because you all, this is a straight up powerhouse. It's the 10 on cold. I can't wait to burn this one because it's gonna smell like Starbucks in here, and I'm ready for it. My second one, we'll go back to my original baby. It is the Black Orchid, because I do enjoy this scent so much for multiple reasons. Then my third favorite would be the Cashmere Gardens, because it's that aquatic floral vibe that I do like. All of these are very different situations, very different scent families, and I like that. So he definitely has a good selection and something for everyone, and we love that. And hey, you all. Oh, you all, I almost forgot. I got sent wax melts too. The wax melts I was sent was also of the Cashmere Gardens. So these are very nice. I need to get a wax warmer. I keep saying I'm gonna get one. But yes, I'm glad it's one of the scents that I do like. That's in my top 3. So yes, Cashmere Gardens in the wax mat. Oh, one last thing I want to mention, the candles are soy. So these are soy wax candles, and again, this is a US based company, so a small business. We love that. So very excited to burn my candles. Yes, you all will see them in post-burn reviews as always, because y'all know that's what we do here on the channel. But yes, if you're digging me, subscribe to the channel. If you like the content, please hit the like button. And if you're upset and are feeling like a waste of time, that's okay too. I still appreciate your review. Until next time, Els, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.